Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Syntech. I am Soham Chanda, and today the program we are gonna do is to generate Fibonacci series. And before watching this video, please make sure to watch the previous videos for a better understanding. And the main purpose of these videos are to teach the concept and the approach to pursue the program. So let's begin with this one. Let's name the class Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Now we have to import the package. Import java.util dot star this one, then the class Fibonacci itself, then we have to write the main function public static void main, and then the scanner class sc equals to new scanner, this would be small c, and system dot in. Now we have to invoke the user for the number of terms of the Fibonacci series, because otherwise it would just go on forever. We can't just print it infinitely, so we need the number of terms that the user wants us to print. So system dot out dot print ln, enter the number of terms, and let's say n is the number of terms, equals to sc dot next int, and then we have to declare some other variables such as int, let's say a equals to 0 and b equals to 1, and one more, let's say the sum, so s equals to 0. So the Fibonacci series will start with these two values, zeros and ones. It starts with zeros and ones, so we have to store it in a variable. I named it a and b. You can store it with any other name, and this is the sum, which will the sum would be of a and b each time it runs. So now let's modify the output, system dot out dot print ln, let's say the Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series, and then we can just print the first two values, that's the a and b. a space, give a space between the values, otherwise it won't be distinguishable. So a and b. Now we will run a for loop from int I equals to 0 to I less than n minus 1, so number of terms minus 1, I plus plus, and then the first thing we would do is to calculate the sum, s equals to a plus b, and then we will change the values of a and b, otherwise the sum would be the same every time the loop runs. So the a would be equals to b, and next line b would be equals to s, and then we will print the value of s, system dot out dot print ln, not ln, it would be s and also a space. Oh, anyway, now the program is done. Let's compile this and run this once. Let's say the number of terms is 5, so these are the 5 terms excluding the first two. So the Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Let's run this once more. let's say 15. So these are the 15 terms. One thing you have to keep in mind that the first two values, that's the zeros and ones, are not considered as the terms. So the user gives the terms, 0 and 1 are excluded. So other than 0 and 1, there would be 15 more terms or 5 more terms or the n number of terms. So these are the terms. So that's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.